caught for today: sunfish, bass, big mouth bass, perch, sunfish. O, diba? Like tilapia. Yan. Perch, big perch. That's a big perch. And that's the sunfish. So let's see. There you go. We caught only one big. They keep on going away. The big ones, I cannot fight for it. I'll keep on fighting with them. Kung may tsaka, may nilaga. Ang ganda nito, guys. Oh. Ano siya? Very fresh. Oh. Parang tilapia. Pero, lake fish lang siya.